Everyone, welcome back. So for script number 25, we'll create a script that will do a health check using curl. So we'll get started with bash and then we'll move on to the Python script next. So we're going to specify the URL first. So we'll take the first parameter. If it doesn't exist, we're just gonna use the default HTTP and then / localhost port 80. And then after that, we will use an if statement to curl. So if curl sf silent and fail on HTTP errors, and then to specify the URL here, and we're gonna direct the error to dev null. Else we're going to echo fail. So it could not find anything in that particular URL. And also we'll include an exit code here. So let's try to run this one. As you can see, it's okay, because if we actually check the status of Apache web server that's running in our local host, it should be Apache 2. As you can see, it's running. So it's running, and also if we check here the actual page, as you can see, this page is active, and that's what when we went to check, we found it found the status 200. When we tried to use curl, we got a response 200. That means it's okay, and then we're just exiting out after that. So that's it, and we're going to move on to the Python script next. For Python, we need to import sys and requests module here, and we're going to specify URL here. It'll be sys.argv arguments, and then parameter 1, and if length is greater than 1, that is good. If not, if no parameter is provided, we're just gonna put in this localhost address here. And then we're going to use a try statement here. Send request. Create an object here, request get URL timeout equals going to be 5. We're going to print the HTTP status code. and we'll check the response. If our dot status code equals 200, which is the code for HTTP code for success, print OK. Else we're gonna print fail, and it will also exit out with an exit code of 1. And they're going to try to catch some exceptions here. Which one of the exception will be requests exception, connection error, perhaps connection was not established for whatever reason. Print, and we're going to use fail. Unable to connect to host. Then we're going to exit out with the status code 2. Then we're going to try to catch another exception, which will be a request exception timeout. Maybe it's trying to connect but times out for whatever reason. Print fail, request timed out. The last exception we want to catch is everything else. It'll be fail and then unexpected error followed by the actual error, which is E. So we also need to put in the syscode exit code here as, let's say, 3 for the previous one. For the last one, we're going to put in 4 as exit code. And that's it. Let's try to run this. As you can see, it's okay. If we bring, let's say, Apache down and try to run the same thing, as you can see, it says can't connect, unable to connect to host, because the host is not there anymore. This is not there anymore because we stopped Apache's server. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.